Okay, so I was trying to think of a word that best describes the current scene. Suboptimal would be a good one, I think. So there was a fire, in case you couldn't already tell. So basically, I'm not gonna get too into how it happened. That's a story for another day, but basically I had the E30 in here and I was getting it ready to paint actually. I'd already fixed some rust. This wheel arch was brand new and that rocker panel was brand new. So basically, it went up and the paint job is obviously off now. I'm not gonna paint this anymore. The shop is, well, it's not mint condition anymore, not like it ever was. Welder, same deal. Argon tank, I think that's still full. Kind of scared of that, but anyway, so the house is also not looking so hot. It's up in the roof and we gotta get all that fixed. That's gonna be a lot of work. It's all melting. Room reveal. Hey, this is my room. Check out my sim wheel. Not bad. And there's my desk. And there's my bed. Not bad, not bad. Got my dartboard. You know, that's a little bit crusty, but she still works. It's all good. Clothes. Oh, there's a hole there too. Look at that. Haven't noticed that one yet. My ukulele. Not too bad. Got my Mr. T cereal poster. That survived, thank God. Yeah, basically everything's just kind of gross and wet right now. And yeah, this isn't exactly a video I wanted to make, but you know, I'm happy to be able to make it at all. You know what I mean? You know, you gotta look at the bright sides in life sometimes. So yeah. Anyway, I'm not asking for sympathy or anything. I just wanted to post an update because otherwise people are gonna be like, what happened to E30? What happened to the shop? Well, here you go. So I got a lot of work to do. Might be a little while longer before I, you know, do anything else again, but I plan on doing it. We will rebuild and do all the stuff. So yeah, subscribe.